So now we're going to look at how to prepare a lift chart for our regression analysis. We've already run the regression, okay, and we already looked at the exported data, okay, and we need to get in the exported data, okay, we're going to use the validate data or validation data set, and we know that this validation data set contains all the columns plus the predicted value of y and the residual value of y, right? So we need to get this the lift chart. We have to do it in Excel. So you click browse. So this is your validate set, okay, and you see at the end you have the predicted and residual values. So now right click in one of these cells, okay, and that will give you export to Excel. Okay. Click export to Excel, okay, click S, and now you see the whole thing exported in Excel, and we want this predicted value and the actual, we need two of them, two of the columns. We want the median home value and the predicted value. These are the two columns that we want. So let's copy these two columns over. I'm going to copy this into this file here. Okay. And this file is lift charts housing. Okay, so that's the Excel file, and I'm going to save this in sheet 2. Okay, here we don't want these two columns, we want only the actual value in the validation set and the predicted value. Okay. So now let's take the predicted value and copy that over here. And there are 202 values, 202 observations. Let's format this. Okay. So now we want to sort this largest to smallest. So highlight and I want to use that one. Okay. So we have the largest value at the top and the smallest value at the bottom, which is negative 1.01 is the predicted value. That doesn't seem right, but that's just the y hat value. Okay. Now cumulative prediction is, okay, so first value is the same, second value is the previous cumulated value plus the current predicted value of the observation. Okay. Now we can copy that, and that will give you the cumulative predicted value. Okay. Now the average value, okay, so that's your actual value. This is the actual median values, okay. Average actual MEDV, okay, so that is that data. So that's your average value, okay, and we want to use that average value as the benchmark. So here's the average, so that's equal to that. Okay. Incident. Okay. Now, you can do this in a couple of different ways, and I'm just going to use the average like there and then find the cumulative average. So we can copy the cumulative column here. So this will give you the cumulative of the average value. So this is the cumulative of y bar. This is the cumulative of y hat. Right? Okay. So now we want to plot, the lift chart is the observation number on the x-axis going 1 through 200 whatever, and then you want that to be one line and this to be the other line. So cumulative prediction, okay, take that and insert need not be a scatter plot, it can be a line plot also. So it will give you the same thing. So it's cumulative prediction. Okay. And you have to add design, select data, add, okay, the series value, the cumulative of the average. Oh, that should be E3. Series name is out. Okay. And your x is that. Okay. So now you give chart title and axis title. Lift chart for person housing, validate. So you can do the same thing with the train data also. You can prepare a lift chart for train data, but validation is what we are interested in. Cumulative median value. Okay. You can control the number of decimal places to 0. Okay. And include legend. You can control the legend, okay, where the legend is placed. Right. So this is your lift chart, and once again the cumulative prediction, the blue line, the more steep it is at the very beginning, the better it is in terms of model prediction. So what you're going to look for, okay, if the model prediction is good, is how steep the prediction, cumulative prediction line is, okay, at the beginning with respect to the average line.